Hey there, I'm Rob Mizell and I wanted to talk with you today about something that's super important, keeping your dual cartridge respirator in proper working order. Whether you're wearing a half mask or full face model, a well-maintained respirator is the key to breathing easy and staying safe on the job. And it's actually a lot easier than you'd think. It's really just 3 simple steps: inspect, clean, and store. Let's break it down. Step 1, inspect your respirator. Before you even put it on, give your respirator a good once-over. Here's what to check. Straps. Look for tears or overstretched elastic. If it's not snug, it's not safe. Face seal. Make sure there's no dirt, cracks, tears, or anything that could stop it from sealing properly. And make sure it's still flexible. And lastly, check the connections. Tighten them up and look for any worn, damaged, or missing parts, like valves. If anything's worn out or missing, replace it as soon as possible with NIOSH-approved parts. At Gemplers, we stock replacement parts for top brands like 3M, Moldex, and Kasco, so we've got you covered. And if your respirator's beyond repair, time for a new one. Safety comes first. Step 2, clean your respirator. When it comes to cleaning your respirator, it's important to follow OSHA's rules and make sure your gear works like it should. Here's how to do that. Wash your hands first. Keep those germs off your gear. Take it apart. Remove the cartridges, filters, valves, and any other pieces the manufacturer recommends. Wash the face piece in warm water under 110 degrees with mild detergent or a manufacturer recommended cleaner. Rinse it thoroughly with clean, warm water. Disinfect if needed, use a manufacturer approved disinfectant and follow the user instructions for it. Using the wrong disinfectant or using one incorrectly can shorten the life of the respirator. Next, you need to dry it. Air dry the components or hand dry with a clean, lint-free cloth. Then reassemble. Inspect all the components as you put it back together. And that's it, a clean respirator for breathing clean air. Step 3, store it right. Now that your respirator is in great shape, let's keep it that way. Here's how. Keep it away from dust, sunlight, humidity, extreme temperatures, and chemicals. Cartridges are like sponges. They'll soak up everything from cigarette smoke to engine exhaust if you don't store them properly. If you notice any odors or irritation while using your respirator, step out of the contaminated area and change those cartridges immediately. And hey, don't forget to check your owner's manual for any extra care tips specific to your gear. And that's it. If you follow these 3 steps of properly inspecting, cleaning, and storing your respirator gear, you're ensuring the longevity of your dual cartridge respirator and making sure you're breathing in clean, breathable air. At Gemplers, we're here to make your life easier. If you need replacement parts or a whole new respirator, click the link in the description and head to Gemplers.com. We've got everything you need to keep breathing easy.